Hello, I'm Ashley Green. I manage the floral department at Coborn's in Sauk Rapids, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a centerpiece out of a half a watermelon. Looks really cute on picnic tables or at grad parties, or just kind of a fresh centerpiece to have out for any kind of summer event that you have. So I have my watermelon already prepped up here. I'm going to take my foam and cut it so I can fit it inside the watermelon. So once you get that set in there, just take some tape and tape it down so it doesn't fall out on you. Really simple, just it's like a thin duct tape. It just tapes right across like that. Rips really easy. Tape it along the side also, like so, all the way around the watermelon, so it's not likely to slip off there. So that's kind of what you're going to be looking at, so it's not going to fall out of there. And then the first step that you want to do is you want to take and you want to green up your foam. I have what we call leather leaf, so we've got this that you can use, and some salal or some lemon leaf. You want all of your stems to be pointing towards the center of your foam for consistency, so you'll have a nice rounded look of everything once you get it greened up. So I'm going to move on to working with some of the salal. Cut some of the pieces, peel off some leaves that I'm not going to need. Stick it in, and the whole idea is you want to cover up the foam entirely so you can't see it, but also not too full to where you can't get any floral stems in there. Next, I'm going to do my dozen roses. You don't want to keep the stems too long. You only want to insert them about, I'd say about an inch into the foam. So you start with your heaviest, your visually heaviest flowers first. So also with your roses, you'll have a little bit of damage just from what happens at the farm. So it's very easy to just go in and break that off right at the base of the rose itself. And you'll also have what we call guard petals. So those are the petals that are around the outside of the rose. They look really ugly, and their purpose is to help keep the rose protected. So it's a hardier petal on the rose, but if you just pull it right off, then you have a rose that looks just perfect again. So your carnations, you can just take and roll your fingers along the calyx of the carnation and crack it open just a little bit and fluff your carnation so it looks fuller. It has a more nice rounded shape. So again, there's a difference. Kind of something like this looks a little tighter. Roll it open a little, fluff it, and you have a nice full carnation again. So this is called a Kermit mum. It's the green variety of the button mum. So I'm going to pull that one off. We'll save him for later. Stick it down in. This helps fill in visually some of the gaps within the arrangement. This little one that we pulled off, we're just going to cut the bottom again for him. Stick him down into the foam on the side. And now to finish it off, as you see, we have everything pretty much done, but you just want to fill in a few spots to kind of make it get that nice rounded full look. So we're going to add in some baby's breath. So I'm looking for any spot in the foam that looks like it needs just a little extra to hide those mechanics, to hide that foam and to hide that tape. And you can, again, if you wanted to do different colors of the roses, you could, whatever color you prefer. I like the watermelon kind of look to all of this. So this is your overall, your finished piece. Has a really cute look, really cute DIY for summer parties. Hope you have a great summer and you can use some of these DIY tips, and we'll see you next time.